Hey everybody, and welcome to the all-new Fuel 3234 floor plan. This is brand new for 2021, and it was designed to bring you more value in a toy hauler that's going to be under 39 feet. Now, exterior features specific to the 323 include 30-gallon LP tanks as standard. You're going to have large pass-through storage with magnetic catches as well as slam latch doors. Now, Fuel has worked to make it very easy when you get to your destination by installing standard the 6-point electric auto level system. Now, over here on the driver's side of the 323 floor plan is where you're going to find your universal docking station that comes with lighting as well as a black tank flush. And over here still on the driver's side is where Fuel is going to equip you with a 30-gallon fuel station for all of your toys. Now, for your entertainment here at the campsite of the 323, you are going to get as standard this outdoor kitchen, coming complete with a 2-burner stove, shelving, a dorm-style refrigerator, as well as lighting for the evenings. Now, Fuel has also made it much more stable getting in and out of this floor plan by giving you the more ride step above steps. The 323 floor plan is going to give you a garage that measures 11 feet. They're also going to give you security. Number one, toys will bring in a lot of moisture and debris. So Fuel didn't want that to affect the life of your investment. That's why the entire garage has been covered in a TPO diamond plate flooring. Also, tying down those toys securely getting to your destination was important. That's why Fuel has all their tie downs actually bolted through the frame. So the toys are out now at the campsite when you are at your destination. Let's talk about what else you are getting from Fuel as standard. You're going to have these massive windows that will give you a lot of natural light, and these windows will of course open. This is important because you also get a Happy Jack queen bed system that's going to easily accommodate 4 to 5 campers depending on their size. So when that ramp door is closed, you can get a nice cool cross breeze because of these windows. You are also going to have lighting as well as outlets back here as well. So now let's go over the interior of the 323 floor plan, starting off with the kitchen. You have a massive farmhouse style sink with a high-rise faucet. This is important because remember, if you're planning on having 7 to 8 guests at your destination, you're probably going to have large pots and pans to wash, so it's very easy to do so. You also have a lot of counter space because your counters, which are solid surface and look great, you have a 3-burner stove with glass top to allow you full utilization of the counter. You also have natural light coming in the way of this massive window, which of course will open to give you a nice cool breeze when you're preparing meals. Also, you have a microwave that will be standard, an 8 cubic foot gas electric reefer because you're not always going to have shore power, so this is the right refrigerator to have. Also, when you're at your destination hosting a lot of guests, you can never have enough storage. Fuel strive to give you even more in 2021 with this brand new floor plan by giving you massive cabinets that are going to extend all the way to the ceiling, which should accommodate all of the space that you will need to pack everything you require for a wonderful trip. Now, across from the kitchen is where you're going to find seating for up to 4 adults very comfortably. Also integrated here into this sofa, you're going to have USB charging on both ends of the sofa, as well as these centers will pull down to give you cup holders as well as USB charging. Also, when you're sitting here having that cross conversation, you're going to be very comfortable. As you see on this slide box, which is very, very tall, you have massive windows giving you, again, natural light and a lot of cross breeze, so you will be comfortable when you don't have to rely on that AC at your destination. In terms of entertainment, the 323 is giving you a very large TV, a big upgrade with this JBL hi-fi audio system with subwoofer. Now, an additional feature that's really nice, especially if you're going to have campers bringing an accessory item like a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox, it has pass-through HDMI. This is really important when you bring those devices. You don't have to try and fish that HDMI cord through this tightly mounted TV. It's very easy. By taking the wire, you plug it into the face of the radio, and it will pass through and project on the TV. Also, here in the entertainment cabinet, you have massive amounts of storage, giving you all the space you need to pack everything on your trip. And in the master suite of the 323, you're getting a king-size bed as standard. You're also getting a lot of natural light here with this massive window, which of course will open, making your evenings very comfortable when you don't have to rely on that AC, but allow Mother Nature to cool the front of this coach. Also, you get a lot of utility in the way of storage here, going the entire width of the king-size bed, these nice upper cabinets with glass inserts making it very residential. You have nightstands on both sides. Also, in addition to your nightstand, you'll notice you have not only an outlet, but wireless charging for your smart devices. The 323 floor plan is also giving you this massive wardrobe slide. So it's going to come complete with a wardrobe closet with these nice mirrored inserts as well to utilize. And if you're working remote, you need access to set up your laptop, an ideal location to do so, or even maybe it's a prep station with makeup or whatever to start your day. Very, very nice look here in the 323, giving you a lot of space here in your master suite. Now, of course, there's many additional features and value that Fuel is giving you. So take time, learn more about the all-new 323 by going to heartlandrvs.com. Thanks, everybody.